Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you how you can cancel your Creative Market subscription. So friends, if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me in this video guide. So first, go to Google your account here, go to my profile. When you go to my profile, you have different options here. Just select my payment and billing, go to payments and billing as you can see here. From this payment and billing, you will see this page. From this page, just click cancel your membership. So this is on my membership, as you can see here, May 2020. This is all subscription. If you want to cancel, just click cancelled membership here. Basically, this is how you can do to cancel your membership. Just go to your accounts and go to payment and billing. From payments and billing, click cancel membership. So this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more.